Hi everyone, just running Justin's slider, number 1410 for Darth Vader, number 1. We'll get a timestamp. And 10:05 on Monday the 17th of January. 10:05 on Monday the 17th of January here in WA. List goes down to 187, which is John, up to spot number 1, which is Nev. I've put those in, 187 John, right up to 1, which is Nev. Rolls dice 3 times. Oh, nice short one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, good luck everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, 6 times. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 more times. 7. Lucky last. Message Justin when you see this winner. Alright, I don't think anyone caught that. I didn't. So that's been randomized 8 times, and the roll of 3 dice is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see who's taken home this book. Big list. Spot number 1 is Jason Eldridge. Congratulations, mates. Spot number 75 has done it. Double check that 8 times. 8 dice roll and get a final timestamp. 10:08. 10:08. Alright, thanks everyone.